I'm about to show you an AI tool that is like reamping, but for your voice. It's really freaking cool.
There's whiskey in my bed. How in the world did I end up like this?
So if you aren't familiar with the term reamping, it's when you record guitars and instead of just recording the signal out of the amp, you also take the signal directly from the guitar and save it. Then you take that completely unaffected guitar track and send it to another amp or software or whatever you like. It gives you the flexibility to find the ultimate guitar sound that will fit into your mix perfectly without having to replay the entire thing. Now imagine if you could take whatever you sang and change it into just about any type of voice imaginable. I don't mean someone else singing your track, I mean your vocals, but in any key with just about any type of voice. You can take something out of your range or with a different energy level than you can sing with and turn it into a pro plus performance. Enough of me talking about it though, let me just show you what this product called Audimee can do. Okay, so we have the session loaded up here and we're gonna see if Audimee can take a pretty crappy vocal and turn it into a good one. Let me first show you the piece of music. I had to do a couple things. One, I wanted this to be like an 80s retro kind of thing with a higher voice. If I sing it in the key of E, which is where I want the song to be, I really have to belt it out and almost kind of scream it. It doesn't sound great. So I took a 7-string, played the same riff down in B where I could sing it. And also I did this last week. I was in the middle of having a cold. I could barely sing. You'll hear I'm doing that kind of thing where you almost sing it to yourself. You're like, ah, na, 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 na. I'm not really belting it out. I'm just singing into my head. Okay, I would not normally share that with anybody. That is sad, but it's great for the example. So obviously I'm a little bit pitchy too because I'm not really singing properly. And so the first step is I have to output that vocal. I'm going to take the effects off of it. I'll leave the channel strip on so it's compressed and you can hear it well. And I just solo that and I output it out of Reaper so that I can bring it into Audimee. Okay, it just takes a couple seconds. It's a short file. Now let's head over to the Audimee software and get it working. Okay, I've loaded up the Audimee site. Now all I've got to do is take the WAV file of my dry vocal output and load it up. I drag it in. It loads it in there. If we listen back. I run to you, I feel the truth. Okay, now we're going to select a singer to do it. And there are so many of them here, as you can see. Now I've gone through a bunch of these and checked out the different singers to see what would work and what wouldn't for this voice. And there were two guys that when you bring them into a higher range, instead of singing falsetto, they really belted out in that retro style. One was Blake and one was Edgar. So I'm going to choose Blake here and I'm going to convert it. Now I'm going to use this pitch to select it. I sang in B minor. The final result, so that's pitch correcting my voice in B minor, but I'm going to move the final result up to E minor. So from B to E, the number of semitones or half steps, you go B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. So it's 5. And now it's going to take the whole thing and convert it to his voice. And we're going to see if it's going to take my soft kind of, I had a cold singing and make it sound like really singing. I'm going to leave the defaults here for the conversion strength, and there's nothing else I have to do, removing any background or anything, because I did a pristine, clean vocal. Now you see it's in the process of converting here. It doesn't take long for a small file like that. And now we have Blake's version of my vocal.
I run to you, I feel the truth, and I just can't fly anymore. I won't hold back, I feel the fire in my bones.
Beautiful. Sounds like it sang with conviction. It doesn't have that I have a cold sound to it. The bit of pitch correction that I added to it, it's there. I didn't go full pitch correction. I didn't want it to sound mechanical. So he scoops into notes a little bit, but it fixes some of the wavering I was doing. Now all I've got to do is download that WAV file and drop it in. Okay, now to import the voice, all I have to do is drag it in. I'm going to set it up so that my version's muted. I'm going to unmute this. We used Blake, so I'll put the name Blake in there because I just want to have the correct name. I drag and drop the file. It's all perfectly in time. I've got set up so it has pretty much the same effects I had, but I put a de-esser on it as well because it's a final product. And let's hear what that sounds like.
I run to you, I feel the truth, and I just can't fly
pretty amazing. I mean, it took my crappy singing it to myself, somewhat out of key voice, and then turned it into that belting genius. That's amazing. Now, again, you could try all different voices. Some of the, like an R&B voice is not going to belt it like that. You're going to get like a falsetto kind of thing. But I want to take a song just as a little bonus here that is intended for a female voice and see how that comes out. Okay, just a quick example here. Here's something where I sang it an octave lower and then brought it in and turned it into a female voice with a repitcher.
There's whiskey in my bed. How in the world did I end up like this? I said there's whiskey in my bed. How in the world did I end up like this? I said there's whiskey in my head. How can I ever crawl out of this mess?
So it's that simple, guys. The site is laid out in a great way, and there's nothing complicated about using it to get the vocal you want. As you saw when I was scrolling through, the number of voices is astounding. You should go and check out the samples of them. You can hear all that for free. And speaking of that, Audimee is giving a 30% discount on their platform to all members of Recording for the Rest of Us. Do you like video lessons like this? If you want much more detail and all the lessons you need on how to create great recordings at home, check out my school group, Recording for the Rest of Us. And that about covers it. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And until next time, guys, keep making great music.